some scrambled eggs.
Hello viewers, hello friends, hello loved ones. Welcome to Mani's channel, my YouTube channel. I'm cooking this morning with my niece. I'm going to teach her how to make simple homemade pancake. How to make simple pancakes from the scratch. We're using flour, eggs, oil, and so forth. So without further ado, welcome my niece. So give it to me. What's your name?
My name is Sasha.
What are you about to make us this morning?
I'm about to make pancake.
Okay, show us what you got. What will you be using?
I will be using 1 cup of flour,
Okay,
sugar,
okay,
salt,
okay. And what is that?
Robertson essence and vanilla flavor. Okay, vanilla flavor.
Okay,
Egg,
okay,
milk,
okay,
water,
okay,
and oil.
okay. And last thing?
We'll also be using baking powder.
Okay, so baking powder, sit it next to the sugar. Okay, so we're about to start. Climb the thing so you can move. So we're about to start a mixture. First with the you pour it in there. And let me have it. Beautiful. And then using the teaspoon. Okay. What are you doing? You're giving us. You can talk to the people, talk to the viewers.
Okay, I'm pouring baking powder on the flour.
It should be 1 spoon, 1 teaspoon. So add a little bit. Yeah, add a little bit. Okay, good. Now let me take the baking powder away, and then next,
Two spoons of sugar.
Yeah. And this is called teaspoon. So teaspoon. Okay. I'll take this.
And a little pinch of salt.
Okay. Like half. Okay. Beautiful. Okay. So now you have to mix those. Right. And then make like a bridge in the middle, like a well. Like that. When you mix it, you create that space. Okay. Okay. So set that one aside. And did you wash your hand before cooking?
Yes.
Cooking? Okay. You see what I told you? The shell is in there. You have to try and remove it. Your vanilla, you need like just half spoon. You can use half and half milk, whole milk. I don't have whole milk at home, so I'm trying this local Ghana made milk. I'm not sure if it's local, but it's evaporated milk. We're using it to okay, go ahead, pour the milk. Give me the essence. Oh, okay. So now the last thing that will go will be, and this is, what spoon is this?
Tablespoon.
Okay. So 2 tablespoons. Can you pour it or you need help?
I need help.
Okay. One, 2. And this is local vegetable oil, Ghana local vegetable oil. And then last, like 1 tablespoon of water. Like just 1, not too much. Beautiful. Now you need to mix. You need spoon to mix it. I think use the fork. Oh, okay. Whatever you want to use to mix it, you gotta mix it. Mix it thoroughly. Just turn the fire on all the way high temperature. So we have this. What's next?
I have to pour the...
Mix it to that. So to mix, hold on, let me take this. Let me help you. Because I'm going to be pouring it in little bit by little bit. So you create the hole. Once I pour, you'll be doing it from the middle. You understand? Be doing it serious. Hold that thing because you need to mix it thoroughly. Keep mixing. Use your muscles like, because otherwise it will be too starchy to look like cake. Okay. Yeah. So now you mix it well with your hand, your muscles. How old are you, Sasha?
I am 12 years.
Oh. Do you miss school?
Yes.
Okay. You can't wait to go back to school?
Yes.
What do you know about COVID-19? What do you know about coronavirus?
What I know about COVID-19 is that it's very dangerous. So we should keep eating good food and take care of ourselves. And wear our nose masks as well.
When you go
out.
Outside. And aside the
when you
nose
come-
mask, what else should you do?
And wash your hands.
Okay. And this last thing too, always keep some.
Always keep some social distancing.
Bravo! Good job. Okay, so you see the thickness is. Okay, you keep pouring. It's okay. So it does. I don't want it on the tin. So you shouldn't do this. What I just did, okay? Because it can burn you. What's the other way you can test to see if the pan is hot?
You can fetch a little. You can put your hand on a drop of water.
Okay, do it. Come on, do it. I mean, you have plenty water. So that's a sign it's hot. Okay, so now you're gonna pour some oil in there. Just, and then use the. Okay, good. In the middle, do it in the middle. Pour. Keep pouring. Good. Okay. And then set it aside. Yay! So let's see the outcome of our first pancake. So you can either use this or you can use that. But for now, you use this because you're gonna lick and see if the under is cooking. So when you see the top bubbling all around, that means the under is getting cooked. Okay. Whoa, yay. Okay, good. So she did well, cooks it well. Yeah. Okay. Usually butter is what we use, like margarine, but we don't have margarine now, so. Okay, it's done. Beautiful. Now do the same thing, the oil, and then you're about to pour. No, it's good enough oil. Okay, because the middle is where you're about to pour the. Okay. Now let me show you something. Look. You see what I just did? And I'm gonna swing it so it will look not too thick. You understand? You see it doesn't look like too thick like the first one. You see the difference. So next time when you're about to pour, as soon as you pour it in, you flip. You do what I did. Okay, so Yum, yum, yum. Okay, so far she has done this. Lovely pancake, you have to, yeah. So watch her. And before flipping, I told you it has to come all the way. Sasha. Like do it so that it climbs like, okay. Sasha is ready with a pancake and about to present it. Why are you using tissue around it?
To take off the oil from it.
Okay. Beautiful. She's doing plating. You can hurry up with it.
Sweet sugar.
Okay. Use your other hand to hit it. You have to hit it or use your hand to go up and then let it spread around. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yay. Good job. Clap for yourself. Are you proud of your sister?
Yes.
Okay, now you test one and tell us honestly how you like it. So let him, he's gonna taste to tell us how good it was. I will have to give you fork. Give him fork and knife. And then you taste it. Okay. Hurry up.
Okay.
That's not how we use fork and knife. Hold it, let me show you. Hold it. So, like that. You see? Look. Turn it.
Don't show me.
Okay, then. Here.
Let me take one.
Okay, and then you taste with a fork. You hold this. Use the fork. Let him taste it. Come on.
Oh, perfect.
Chew it first. I'm proud of you. Tune into our YouTube for more videos.